Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Gitflow versus GitHub Flow. We'll explore these two popular branching strategies used in software development. Gitflow is a more structured approach, often favored for projects with distinct release cycles. GitHub Flow, on the other hand, offers a simpler, more agile method, perfect for continuous delivery. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which one best suits your team's workflow and project requirements. Let's dive in and see how each operates. Gitflow is known for its robust 5-branch model: master, develop, feature, release, and hotfix. This structure is excellent for projects needing strict versioning and scheduled releases, like traditional software products. It provides clear separation, ensuring stability for production code while allowing parallel development. However, managing these multiple long-lived branches can introduce complexity, requiring careful coordination among team members. It's a powerful system, but demands discipline. GitHub Flow simplifies things significantly, primarily relying on just two main branches, main and feature branches. The core idea is that every feature branch, once developed and thoroughly reviewed, is merged directly into the main branch. This streamlined approach is ideal for continuous integration and continuous deployment, enabling rapid iteration and frequent, small deployments. It encourages quick feedback loops and minimizes the overhead associated with complex branching, making it very efficient for agile teams. So, which is better? The answer truly depends on your project's unique needs. If your project demands strict release cycles, long-term support, and clear versioning, Gitflow might be your best bet. However, if you prioritize continuous delivery, rapid iteration, and frequent deployments, GitHub Flow will likely serve you better. Consider your team's size, project complexity, and deployment frequency. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Choose the flow that empowers your team most effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.